A linked list instance is an object, and all instances of a user-defined class can be changed or mutated. Let's take a look at what happens when you start changing the attributes of a link instance. Linked lists can change. Using attribute assignment statements, you can change the first and rest attributes of a link instance. In fact, an interesting consequence of this is that the rest of a linked list can contain the linked list as a sublist. So let's say I start with a linked list with 3 elements, 1, 2, and 3. Here's a sketch of what this might look like. The actual environment diagram is more complicated, but here's the essence of a linked list, is that it's just 2 attributes, the first and the rest, where the first is, in this case, a number, and the rest is another link instance. So here's the second one. If I assign s.first equals 5, what I'm left with is 523. But it gets really interesting when you come up with another name for s.rest, like t. So that's the linked list 2, 3. And then we reassign the rest attribute of a link instance. In this case, we're assigning it to s. Then s.first is 5. And what's s.rest.rest.rest.rest.rest.first? Well, think about it for a minute and see if you can figure it out. This is going to be the number 2. One reasonable reaction is, how did we have so many .rests when we had a linked list that was only 3 elements long? Well, back when we created it, it had only 3 elements. But now it has a different structure because we changed t.rest and t was part of s. What we've created is the following structure. We changed s.first to 5. We never changed s.rest. We did give a name to it, t, and we changed t.rest to refer to s. So when you evaluate s.rest.rest.rest.rest.rest.rest.first, you get the number 2.